Chapter 1 Integers Exercise 1.1 Question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Here is a number line which shows the different places and their temperature on a day. And some of the questions are: observe these number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Write as given below. The temperature of the places marked on it is Bangalore, Ooty, Shimla, Srinagar, Lahul Spiti. Write the temperature of the places. Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius, Ooty 14 degrees Celsius, Shimla 5 degrees Celsius, Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius, Lahul Spiti minus 8 degrees Celsius. Second question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place among the above? The temperature of the hottest place Bangalore, as we know from the given places, hottest place is Bangalore and coldest place is Lahul Spiti. The temperature of the hottest place Bangalore is equals to 22 degrees Celsius and the temperature of the coldest place Lahul Spiti is equals to minus 8 degrees Celsius. They ask the difference between both the places. As we know, difference means subtraction. We must do subtraction between both of them. 22 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius, minus into minus plus, so that 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius is equals to 30 degrees Celsius. A third question is, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius and temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Difference between both of them is 6 degrees Celsius. A fourth question is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla both is 5 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius is equals to 3 degrees Celsius and temperature of Shimla is equals to 5 degrees Celsius. Therefore, 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. So that temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. And another question is that also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Now temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius, therefore 3 degrees Celsius is greater than minus 2 degrees Celsius, so that it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Second question is, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25 minus 5 minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? A boy named Jack participated in a quiz competition. As we know, in a quiz competition there are positive marks and negative marks. He played 5 rounds and he got the score as 25 minus 5 minus 10, 15 and 10. Total marks got by him. As we know, total means addition. We must add all the score he got. 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. By adding all this we get 35. So that total marks of the Jack are 35 marks. Question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? On Monday, temperature at Srinagar is equals to minus 5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, temperature dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So that temperature on Tuesday is equals to minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equals to minus 7 degrees Celsius. And another question is, on Wednesday temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius. The temperature on Wednesday is equals to minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius is equals to minus 3 degrees Celsius. Thus, temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was 7 degrees Celsius and 3 degrees Celsius respectively. Question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meters above the sea level at a particular point. It is exactly above submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? As shown in this figure, at point 0 it is the sea level, and at 5000 meters above the sea level a plane is flying, and 1200 meters below the sea level a submarine is floating in the water. Now we must calculate the distance between the plane flying in the air and the submarine floating under the water. The height of the place above the sea level is 5000 meters, and floating a submarine below the sea level is 1200 meters. The vertical distance between the place and the submarine is 5000 plus 1200 is equals to 6200 meters. Thus, the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine is 6200 meters. Question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws 1642 rupees from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after all the withdrawal. As we know, if the withdrawal amount is represented by a negative number, then the deposited amount should be represented by the positive integer. As asked in this question, deposited amount is 2000 and withdrawal amount is 1642. Balance is 2000 minus 1642 is 358 rupees. Thus, the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal is 358 rupees. Question number 6. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from M? Here they also show you on a number line. According to this number line, Rita moves towards east is represented by a positive integer, but she moves in opposite direction, means Rita moves west. So it must be represented by negative integer. As they said, she moved point A to B in the east side and B to C in the west side. We must calculate the distance from A to C. The distance from A to B is 20 kilometers. Distance from B to C is equals to 30 kilometers. Difference from A to C is equals to 20 minus 30 is equals to minus 10 kilometers. Question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Here there are two squares given below, and one is named as 1 and second one is 2. As they said, if we do the sum of each row, each column and each diagonal, we must get the same sum. Then only it is a magic square. Let's prove. And taking rows, 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4 is equals to 0. Minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 7 is equals to 0. 0 plus 3 plus minus 3 is equals to 0. We got all the sums of the rows is 0. And then taking columns, 5 plus minus 5 plus 0 is 0. Minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3 is 0. Minus 4 plus 7 plus minus 3 is 0. And taking diagonals, 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 is equals to 0. And minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 0 is equals to minus 6. This box is not a magic square because all the sums are not equal. And let's check the second square. Taking rows, 1 plus minus 10 plus 0 is minus 9. Minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2 is minus 9. Minus 6 plus 4 plus minus 7 is equals to minus 9. Taking columns, 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 6 is equals to minus 9. Minus 10 plus minus 3 plus 4 is equals to minus 9. 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7 is equals to minus 9. And taking the two other diagonals, 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7 is equals to minus 9. 0 plus minus 3 plus minus 6 is equals to minus 9. This box is a magic square because all the sums are equal. All the sums of each row, column, diagonal, we got the sum as minus 9. So this is a magic square. Question number 8. Verify a minus b is equals to a plus b for the following values of a and b. There are some values given of a and b. We must put the values in this equation and prove that LHS is equals to RHS. And let's start. Given value of a is equals to 21, b is equals to 18. We have a minus b is equals to a plus b. Putting the values in LHS is equals to a minus b is equals to 21 minus 18 is equals to 21 plus 18 is equals to 39. Putting the values in RHS, we got a plus b, 21 plus 19 is equals to 39. Since LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. These values are perfectly correct for this equation. And let's take the next values. A is equals to 118 and b is equals to 125. We have a minus of minus b is equals to a plus b. Putting the values in LHS, we get the answer 243, and putting the values in RHS, we get the value 243. Hence this is also verified as LHS is equals to RHS. Third, values of a and b. A is equals to 75 and b is equals to 84. A minus of minus b is equals to a plus b. Putting the values in LHS, a minus of minus b is equals to 75 minus of minus 84 is equals to 75 plus 84 is equals to 159. Putting the values in RHS, a plus b is equals to 75 plus 84, 155. Hence this is also verified as LHS is equals to RHS. And last values of a and b are a is equals to 28 and b is equals to 11. By putting the values in LHS in this equation, we get 39, and putting the values in RHS, we get 39. As 39 is equals to 39, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence this is also verified. Question number 9. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equals to in the box to make the statements true. There are some statements given, and solve both the numbers on both sides, and which is suitable, then you put this sign over there. First statement is minus 8 plus minus 4, and other side minus 8 minus of minus 4. Minus 12 is less than minus 4. So let's write less than symbol there. In second statement, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19, 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. If we solve this, we get minus 15 less than minus 2. And third statement is 23 minus 41 plus 11. 23 minus 41 is minus 11. Minus 18 plus 11 and 23 minus 52. Minus 7 on the left hand side and minus 21 and 29 on the right hand side. Minus 7 is greater than minus 29. So let's write greater than symbol there. Fourth statement, 39 plus minus 24 minus plus 15. And other side 36 plus minus 52 minus of minus 36. 39 minus 24 minus 15 and 36 minus 52 plus 36. 39 minus 39 and 72 minus 52. 0 and 20. 0 is less than 20, so that let's write less than symbol there. And fifth equation is minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 and minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Minus 231 plus 130 and other side minus 399 plus 240. Minus 101 and 159. Minus 101 is greater than minus 159. So let's write greater than symbol there.